Hey guys, welcome back with the new topic. Now, I'll show you how to install the Terraform. So you need to type how to install Terraform on Google and then you'll get some links. So you'll need to click on this link terraform.io. So this is the link wherein you can get all the Terraform softwares available for different operating systems. So here I'm using the Windows system, so I'll click on Windows. So here you can see I'm getting this two files. So I'll use with this 386. So I'll click on this link. If you have a Mac OS operating system, then you can use this one. So this file getting downloaded, it will be in the zip format. So once it is downloaded, you will see this file under the download folder. So this is my download folder, and under this folder you can see Terraform is there. So this is my zip folder, so I'll need to extract this folder. So I'll click extract all and will place this in new folder. So I'll create a one new folder and will give the name to this folder as a Terra, because Terraform is already exist in my system. So I'll type Terra and will use this folder to extract these files. So now this is getting extracted and it will be under this Terra folder. Now you can open PowerShell, but before running the Terraform command, so you will need to set the variables. So you will need to search the environment variables, and here you will need to put the path of Terraform in this environment variables. I clicked on this path and I'll need to put the new path. So it's under C drive under Terra folder. So I'll use the same path and we'll set the variable. So the path is C drive and the folder name is Terra. So save it and you can check running this command in PowerShell Terraform. So now you can get the output. It is showing that you can run all these Terraform commands once it is installed in your system. So in this way you can install the Terraform and you can start creating the Terraform script for ACI.